have used these lashes more than 10 times and they are still going strong. I'm sure I'm butchering it. I'm very sure I'm butchering it. This is the only highlighter that I've been wearing non-stop ever since I've got it. Hello Linda, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be one of a kind video because I've never made a video like this on my channel before. But anyways, so in today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you guys some products that are just under Rs.300 and they perform amazingly well. Before I jump into the video, in case if you're stumbling upon my channel for the very first time, hi, my name is Marjorie. I make beauty related content here on my channel, and if that's your cup of tea, make sure to subscribe and also hit the bell notification to be notified every time I post a new video. Now that's out of the way, let's continue with the video. And actually there's not a lot of products. I'm just going to quickly breeze through them because I have spoken about them in my past favorites and stuff. So you guys must be familiar with all these products, and that also means that I'm not just showing you guys products just for the heck of it. I have tried these products and these products are my favorites. So yeah, first product that I want to talk about are these lashes by Cuffs and Lashes. I have spoken about them in the past. I've also made a short video on these bad boys, and in fact I have one style on me right now which is in the style Srinagar, and I absolutely love these lashes. These are faux mink lashes. They come in a variety of different styles and for different eye shape, and I love that fact because not everybody has similar eye shape like me. I have slightly hooded eyes and my eyes are more on the smaller side, so super dramatic lashes, they don't look good on me. But if you are someone who's got like a deep set eyes, you will find a style which is more suited for your eye shape. They are reusable. You can use them on and on and on until they are on its last breath. I have used these lashes more than 10 times and they are still going strong and they still look brand new. So that makes me believe that these have amazing quality on them. So I would highly recommend you guys checking these lashes out. I know finding a powder for your dry skin type can be a struggle, but I've got you. So the powder I'm going to be talking about is this one. This is the Mars Silky Skin Powder Compact. This is such an amazing compact. Just like the name says, it has a very silky, smooth texture to it. It feels extremely lightweight on your skin. It does not look powdery, it does not look cakey whatsoever. In fact, I've used this powder on my under eyes today only to set this area of my face. I love how it comes with two different powders right here. So the one on the top is more on the lighter side and the one on the bottom is slightly darker than the one on the top, and it also comes with a sponge and also a mirror, you guys. I mean, what else do you want? I think it's for 250 rupees and I feel like it is such a great deal because you not only get so much product but it also performs beautifully. If you are someone who's more on the oily skin type like me, you will not like this powder all over your face because it does not control your oils whatsoever. But in case if you are someone who's more on the dry skin type, oh my god, you're gonna love and you're gonna enjoy this baby so much. Next up, I have this eyebrow pencil by Etude House. I have spoken about this in my past favorite, so I'm not gonna bore you guys. This is such an amazing eyebrow pencil at such an affordable price range. On one side it comes with the pencil and on the other side it also comes with the spoolie, which I really like and which I really appreciate in eyebrow pencils because I don't want to go through my brushes to just, you know, look for a spoolie to spoolie the eyebrow product out. I mean, that's just too much work. It does not have a fine tip to it, but I do not mind that because I do not look for a lot of precision work. This is the eyebrow pencil that I have on my eyebrows and it has filled my eyebrows really well. And also I love that it comes in so many different shade range. I think they have like 7 different shades in this eyebrow pencil. So depending on your skin tone and the color of your hair, you can pick whatever color that you like. The one that I'm using is in the shade dark brown. I also love the formulation on this because it's not one of those pencils which is too waxy, too hard or too slippery. It has the right kind of formulation and the right kind of pigmentation which I personally prefer in my eyebrow pencils. There's still so much product left in here and I've been using it religiously for months now. So I mean, love this eyebrow pencil and I cannot do without this eyebrow pencil. Okay, so I have a perfume for you guys. For those who don't know, I absolutely love perfumes. I love trying new perfumes and perfumes can be really expensive for that, but then I found this perfume by Nykaa. It is their Moi by Nykaa and it is in the variant Joy. I'm sure I'm butchering it. I'm very sure I'm butchering it. They have so many different fragrances in this range, but I particularly enjoy this variant, which is the Joy de Vivre. Okay. you guys get it. I particularly enjoy this variant right here because it is one of those fragrances that is really fresh. It smells so fresh, fruity, aquatic, all at the same time. Oftentimes when you get mini perfumes, they come in a roll-on, and I absolutely hate that, but this one comes with a spray and I really like it. And you can see by the looks of it how much I've used. There's barely any left. Since I'm almost out of this one, I can wash it clean. I refill it with another perfume that I'm currently enjoying and then carry it with me on the go. You get so much value for your money just by investing in one of these mini perfumes. Surprisingly, it lasts really long on me for like 5 hours, which I think is a decent staying power for a perfume which is so affordable. Part of me is sad that I'm gonna finish this one up, but anyways. Okay, so next up I have a highlighter with me which I am so obsessed with. This is the only highlighter that I've been wearing non-stop ever since I've got it, and that says a lot. Highlighter I'm talking about is this one by Swiss Beauty. It's their Fusion highlighter. I have it in the shade 01, and oh my god, it is such a stunning highlighter. So the formulation on these highlighters is kind of like a baked formula. That way it looks very natural on your skin. You can easily shear this highlighter down if you want like a subtle glow, but you can also layer it up in case if you do want that, you know, beaming highlight, and it would not look chalky or cakey whatsoever. It does not emphasizes any textures on my face. It is more forgiving that way. It comes in variety of different shades. In fact, this is the highlighter I have on my face, my inner corner, and also a little bit on my décolletage. Can you guys believe it when I say that I've been using this bad boy non-stop for more than 6 months now? Because I've barely hit a dent on this one. I mean, you get so much product in this highlighter. It is amazing to me. Like, the shade 01 is gonna be perfect for you in case if you are someone who is more on the fair to, I would say, medium NC30 skin tone. But in case if you are someone who's deeper, or if you are someone who likes more of a icy or a pinky highlight, they do have those options available. I mean, I just cannot stop using it. I absolutely love it, and I would highly recommend you guys checking this highlighter out. So I did a little bit of cheating. I know that it's supposed to be products under Rs.300, but then I really wanted to mention these bad boys because they are so good and you can always find them on sale. I did go a little over budget, but it's not too much. I mean, it's only like 49 rupees Uber, so I think that is okay. So I'm talking about these mini blushes and contour by Sugar Cosmetics. This bronzer is in the shade Taupe Topper. In case if you're someone who's following me for a very long time, you would know I'm not a huge fan of, you know, bronzing and then contouring. I mean, that's just too much. I rather prefer products that will bronze my face yet contour at the same time, and this one right here has the perfect shade for me to do that. So the pigmentation on the contour is not something which is too harsh. It is decently pigmented, but you can easily build it up and it blends like a dream. You can see how beautifully it has contoured yet defined my face. And speaking of the blush, even the blush are amazing. So I have two different shades here with me. This one is in the shade Peach Peak and this one is Salmon Superstar. This one is actually a brand new one because my older one got expired. I mean, I would never repurchase anything in case if I do not like a certain product. Like, why else would you repurchase it? I have a mixture of these two blushes on my cheeks right now and I love these blushes so much. The blushes are super pigmented. Make sure to tap off any excess blush that you have on your brush. But even if you do go overboard, these are super easy to blend. I mean, I had to mention these bad boys in my video today because these are stunning and I do not want you guys to miss out. Those were all the products that I wanted to talk about and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. In case if you did, then don't forget to like this video and also share this video with your friends and family. Let me know in the comments down below in case if you want me to make more of such videos. And yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video and supporting my channel. It really means the world to me. I love you guys so much. With that, you guys, I'm gonna take a leave and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye, Linda.